Khulumka sini rangsak ni mare kising song. Tai joto nai tong nai. Tai joto sini rangsak ni bayab song no ani khani hamjak ma tai jobani jibai. O horjorao tini life haino rok ni thani ma phaipika. Norok joto saimano khanani sal. Totha je 18 December 2025. Tiprasani sini amani kok borok mother tongue sini kok borok no roman script by sinani bagai jeseng dabi sanlai mani bagai khanani salo sung joto palbak sakan nokholai norok thanai koyekdin sakang nukhna Tripura Rajyoni belai khe khoroksa kotorkuk neta kotorkuk leaders tamo kwcharkha roman script no tui je nazar andash eba ignore khlaimani kok bo flang ke jotoni beskang samani norok khana ajaga bo saka tangei roman hai script no adapt khaine ni bagai tipra sarok san tipra sarok ni nijiso jani script no sonamnani bagai tangi chaitok ya tai i man ganang borok no a borom ganang kuk borok no tini sini riang brorok ni sakawabo Bangladesh ni hini pojonto se samani sing nukha i borom ganang borok no hai thanai astabol ni sini je mass gathering je northeast ni thansang mani a salno ka sunani bagai joto dondo bed proyug khaye tini tiprasani je mass gathering no ka sunani bagai tini joto digi prosason digi shokti chalagoi sungno ka suna naimani sung nukha tini ang sei man ganang borom ganang kuk okra kuk bumung tang sana thanglia sabo tinang o message no ronani musung haise when Urdu language was forcefully imposed in East Pakistan on people whose mother tongue was Bengali. It ultimately led to the creations of Bangladesh. The history clearly teaches us the lessons. Do not impose any language, any script on people against their will. जब उर्दू लैंग्वेज को इस पाकिस्तान में जबरदस्ती बांग्ला बोलने वाला समुदाय के ऊपर थोपा गया तो उसी का परिणाम एक नया रूप बांग्लादेश करके नया देश बनने के लिए हम लोग को देखने को मिला तो आज इतिहास हमें क्लियरली दिखा रहा है कि कोई भी अगर समुदाय के ऊपर कोई भी जाति का ऊपर या फिर कोई भी भाषा के खिलाफ अगर जबरदस्ती थोपने के लिए कोशिश करता है तो उसी जाति उसी समुदाय के लोग आज सब एक संग होके लड़ने के बाद आज बांग्लादेश करके एक नया देश बना वही त्रिपुरा राज्य में भी होने जा रहा है और जबकि हम लोग को अपना चॉइस मिलना चाहिए जब पंजाब का लोगों को अपना चॉइस मिलता है जब महाराष्ट्र का लोगों को उनका चॉइस मिलता है तो व्हाई नॉट फॉर तिप्रासा इफ a person from Punjab, if a person from Maharashtra, if a person from Bihar, if a person from Himachal Pradesh have rights to choose, right to adopt whichever script they wish to, why only being imposed on us without our consent? The Tiprasa people also should have rights to choose our script in whichever script we wish to adopt. Tini o kokno sung saimana nangna haisi khanani sal blai ke sin bagi important Kanani salno borok party ni rup no nugya kare S1 tipra sang sing jotono ma phainai. Kanani salo amani kok borok no tui sing sanani bagai pal baksa kama no holaine thik 5টা সময় সারিগো every blog sing kana homsang rally ni bisingtwi sini kha dumani no funuk nai sabo a borok sini rights no seknani nai nai sini mung no seknani nai nai sini basa no seknani nai nai sini ganmung chumung no seknani nai nai sini hani bumung no seknani nai nai sabo I hani busa sing sini amani kok borokno tamo script by sinai sing te khanya haisi I hani busa sing tamo chanai sing decide khanya haisi I hani busa sing tamo kok no sing sanai sing decide khanya haisi kebo phaior suno sapainani kokia tini norok nukhna sini amani kok borok no sing Roman script by adopt khainani since from long year ago this demand has been raising by the people of our Tiprasa Hesi. Today someone comes and says that they'll not allow us to write the script that we wish to adopt. Who are they? Who gave them power? It's our right, has fundamental rights. Of fundamental rights no kebo seknani kebo nanani kuno shokti gre haise BJP roktabu clear khainani dorkar Asamo kwbangma jati rok tini Roman script by seitong aja khetang kok saya kuno phano Meghalaya o seitong tang kok saime aro Mizoram kok Roman script by seitong why can't they tell there Tiprasano simi khawoi tiprasano simi shushon khai je kushupna naimani we are not going to tolerate haisi tomorrow sung jotta palbaksa khai thik 5টা সময় homsang rally tui jotta sara tripura sung nongkhona haisi tini ang sanani musu sini IPFT khaina leader sokno I really would like to give thanks from bottom of my heart to the General Secretary of IPFT Sri James Debbarma Ji. Bini statement clear kaze samani abonang balai blake khabe hambairo. Yes, that should be the spirit of every Tiprasa. When it comes to our rights, no political party is bigger than our jati. No political party is above our identity, I say. Our identity is our identity. Party ni sai kuno dino tori manya. Identity sini jati sini zakmu abo party ni sai kuno dino tori manya. IPFT ni General Secretary no blai kyang khabai khukbe hambai ruo tini obo hai jora wo party no choose khai wo jati no choose khai kok samani. And ang obo request khaina IPFT ni jotto sini warriors IPFT ni jotto sini sengkrak rong IPFT ni jotto samung tangnai rokno khanani salo oje homsang rally wo jotto pal baksa kai thancha khlaiei amani kok borokno sing Roman script by sinani bagai sara India ni buskango homsang rally ni bisingti sing khana ekta strong message honani jate kemoni himata tongtho ba haike stage ro basawi sanani je kok borokni script no kok borokni je rights no seknani bagai are ang tabu kamchili chumi tongmani aba ni rights ani hairstyle amti khai tongmani aba ni rights tamo chanai aba ni rights then why don't I have a right to choose which script I wish to adopt for writing my mother tongue? It should be given to us, I see. This right should be given to us. No one should interfere, no one should bother, I see. Did we tell anyone to adopt Devanagari script instead of choosing their mother tongue Bengali? Did we say any time that? Then how dare borok suno sanani ako one sukte haisi BJP khaitong sini leaders ro boro moncho kok saw haisi dofani bage hamjago dofani bage khlaine dofani bage jati ni bage khlaine ne amani kok borok ni bage khana sung jot to tiprasa thansage haitong I hope noro party ni sai jati no chikon nu yawoi party ni sai jati no kotor nu noro bukhana fine hene amani kok borok no tini sinani bagai tini Devanagari script ni ti kok saitong Bengali script ni kok no saitong je ucharon pronunciation se chaya bahike nang mutai no Bengali language bai sinai khuteng no bahike nang Bengali language bai sinai Devanagari script bai sinai kamajak no nang bahike Devanagari bai sinai musang no nang bahike Devanagari bai sinai bini je pronunciation exactly Roman script by correct tinini dino the world communicate with Roman script the world communicate with English huh o neta rok je sane kotor bashon ronai rok bi basa bati rok to khoboro English medium school pori ritonu and when tiprasa learning ni kok sakang kita mo na we can't allow are who are you to border? Who are you to interfere? It's our fundamental rights. India wo jotoni no rights tongo. Any religions, any language, any cultures, anything choose kainani. No one should take these rights from us, I say. Kana sangkonai. Tripura Student Federation sognang khabai khukbe hambai maru I say. Jati dofani bagai borok je. Khlai tongmani TISF rokno bang khabai khukbai hambai maru haise khabai khukbai sini TISF students rokbo hatai dofani bagai amani kok borok rokni bagai tini sawi tongmani haise His Highness Maharaj nong khabai khukbai hambai maru haise bo tini dofani bagai hani bagai jottono no chabai khai tongmani haise but proshno hongrai je bason kotor rei tongnai sei neta rokni kok se oro proshno Broiler cooked cook nai. Boroni cock manabo? Huh? Nini tiprasano cook nani bagin in cox haitongo? Titi edisi was haboto? Tiprasa. Tiprasa no broiler cooked cook na haja? No, Tiprasani Tribal Welfare Minister in position Lukurokno for the welfare of Tiprasa. Now we are saying Tiprasani no broiler cooked nani. Minister Sahab, we did not expect this kind of statement from you at least. From the beginning, we were expecting that in your tenure that you will do the welfare of our people. You will do the welfare of our Tiprasa. But what we hear from you, such a derogative statement, we did not expect, Minister Sahab. I think parties should not be above our identity. Parties should not be above our cultures, our language. So tomorrow, the whole Tiprasa going to participate in the movement. I wish and I hope you will also change your mind and choose your people instead of party and give your identity above the political party. I see. Kana sung expect kayo I see. Kotor bason relayu sung. Tiprasana se tok bukur khuk na nipo. Amra Bangladesh kotor kok saitong chirit khogei din sal kutung salon sal kathang saitong. Ha Agartala saboni Kanchanpur saboni Telimoro saboni. That time those so-called big leaders don't have even single words to speak against them. And now they're daring to speak against our Maharaj. I see. Jantaro kaham ke nai to I see. Hamzakma bai Dof hanibai khaine khaidi obahaya haisi. We respect Honorable Chief Minister. We respect Honorable Ministers. But we don't expect such derogatory words from you all. You are not only Minister for particular community. You are not only CM for particular communities. You are CM for everyone. You are Minister for everyone. And when other communities have right to choose their script, why only Tiprasa can? The questions arises. Is this the mantra of Sabka Sat Sabka Vikas that our Prime Minister always would like to see? Our Prime Ministers often say Sabka Sat Sabka Vikas. How can be a Sabka Sat Sabka Vikas when our own Tiprasa in our own land do not have rights to choose which script we wish to adopt? When a Punjabi gets opportunity, Punjabi gets rights to choose their script. When Tamil people gets rights to choose their script, when Telugu people gets rights to choose their script, why only Tiprasa can? And to those who speak big words in front of public, please come forward. Keep your identity above political party. Keep your culture above political party. Keep your jati, keep your samaj above political party. Party comes and goes. Maybe you may be in power for 5 years, but think for another 1,000 years with whom you'll be living. The generations of our people, our identity. Oboni baga one should be high see. Tini o hawa e hawa sin om thik layo e hawa 186 tabuk numbers of king, the last king tabuk kathang tongko. Tini e hawa sung andolon kaina ni right rezagya. E hawa amani kok borok sanani sung right rezagya. E hawa sini soy om thik lai asai nai e riang rok tini Bangladeshi jagi tong haisi. E hawa tini IPFT high political party Ugrovadi hinjagi tong haisi. E hawa tini sini jotto sini mung, sini thai ni bumung, sini jaga ni bumung, sini jotto ni bumung tini slai jagi tong tong. But yet, some big leaders holding the post of government choose to keep silent just because they fear that if they speak for the rights of our people, they may lose their position. But the warriors of Bubagra never do like that. We'll come forward to speak for our rights. And yes, of course, tomorrow in the rally, we all will participate as Tiprasa, not as political party, not as organization's leader. We all will participate as Tiprasa. And we also expect all the leaders to come forward and support. Because norok ni besabati ba I Roman script ba ni sinani bagay nango. Norok ni besabati ba jesek pa no ng political party khai tongdi I amani kok borok no sinya bagay Roman script ba sinya nango. Nang agi se kotor je leader khai tong nero national party khayo nei NIT na andolon no samilingya. Maharaja Bir Bikram ni airport ng nafro andolon khaya. O bahai kabang jaga andolon no samilingya. Tini hai no hai itihas repeating na ni thangi tong haisi. I think and I believe thansa ke sungma phainai, thansa ke sungma basanai, and tabo I boro rono juri salasa. Ha? Devanagari script no adopt khaji nei. Kha no? I boro rono salasa. Punjabi language the Tamil ni script adopt khaji nei. Kha no? Then how dare sini script no sung tamo sinai, tamo chanai, tamo kanai, sab decide khainai. Sung decide khainai haisi. Our land is our right. Our language is our right. सबका साथ सबका विकास हमा बाय सिमिंगला सबका साथ सबका लैंग्वेज हना ना हना सबका साथ सबका स्क्रिप्ट हना ना हना हाइसे then only सबका साथ सबका विकास the prime minister of India भाषण रुवा हाइसे सबका साथ सबका विकास but ओ जगह खाय रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नि विरोध मेघालय खाय रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नि विरोध दंमाया मिजोराम खाय रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नि विरोध दंमाया आसाम रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नि विरोध दंमाया बत्ती प्रासानि अगेंस्ट नgai tangai amon bage ang poinyai jotto sini khapangni rangsakni kiching songno rangsakni mare kiching song rangsakni bayap song rangsakni mafa song khanani salo jottono pal baksa kai norok phaija baidi khanani salo pal baksa phai sini amani kok borokno seinani bage roman script ni bage sung kokti salainani blai ke hambai khanani salo malai ne haise thank you good night